This is an absolute game-changing move by Coinbase. Stay tuned to know how this is significant for Cardano and how it will affect the prices of ADA. Welcome to Cardano Future. If you want to win a $25 cash giveaway, check our comment section below and join our giveaway. Without further ado, let's dive in. The ADA's worth has risen dramatically this year. Cardano's value has been rising despite recent market instability, and it has become one of the best-performing cryptos in 2021. It is a game-changer in the crypto sector due to its high technological proficiency. It can process thousands of transactions every second, and even VISA and Mastercard can't keep up with Cardano's transaction volume. According to Brian Armstrong's announcement, Coinbase would dedicate a significant portion of its platform to Cardano and other digital assets. Brian Armstrong, the founder and CEO of Coinbase, recently tweeted, "We recently received board approval to purchase over $500 million of crypto on our balance sheet to add to our existing holdings, and we'll be investing 10% of all profit going forward in crypto. I expect this percentage to keep growing over time as the crypto economy matures." According to the business, it aims to hold these digital assets for the long term and will only dispose under specified circumstances, such as when a digital asset is delisted from the Coinbase platform. Coinbase's recent investment joins the ranks of other major corporations that have invested in cryptocurrency. Tesla and Square, a digital payments startup, are among the companies that have lately invested millions in Bitcoin. While Coinbase's CEO is optimistic and praying for Bitcoin's rise, he has some disparaging views regarding alternative blockchains. According to Armstrong, we now live in a world where the crypto economy is made up of a variety of assets and blockchains that serve various functions, such as gold, payments, security contracts, and derivatives. As a result, more and more things will continue to arrive. Furthermore, the Coinbase platform has incorporated 8 additional cryptocurrencies this year, based on overall project management and new advancements. Coinbase is an unquestionably outstanding crypto platform, and the addition of Cardano tokens to this platform is a significant step forward for ADA in encouraging Cardano holders and new investors to buy and hold more Cardano coins. Cardano has seen a surge in adoption as the network's on-chain activity rises. Cardano's price is expected to rise, with analysts predicting a target of $2.50 for the altcoin. Cardano is gearing up for a bull run as adoption rises. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson predicts that blockchain-based initiatives like the Ethereum killer ADA would one day be as pervasive as the internet and utilized by billions. Hoskinson believes Cardano will be adopted. Despite modest changes in the ecosystem, the Cardano founder believes the blockchain is making headway toward broad use. According to Hoskinson, the Cardano ecosystem has less hype and more updates. Hoskinson noted in a recent blog post, "Our view is that these protocols will be as ubiquitous as the internet. The scale of adoption will take years to decades, not weeks to months, and won't be a meme." Cardano's price trend has been reviewed by @EasyBitcoin, a pseudonymous cryptocurrency analyst, and another leg down has been spotted. Cardano's price trend, according to the analyst, is developing a head and shoulders pattern, which is optimistic for the altcoin. Despite delivering holders negative 3-month returns, the Cardano price appears to be on the rise. Cardano's price is expected to rise according to cryptocurrency specialists at the YouTube channel Crypto Christian. Cardano, according to analysts, has broken out to a significant price level of $1.33. Cardano is expected to rise, according to Crypto Christian experts. On its 2-cent 3-box reversal point and figure chart, Cardano recently broke out above the bear market angle. Cardano has now entered a bull market as a result of this move. The Cardano price is currently in the hands of the bulls, although many traders are still waiting for confirmation. Cardano price action has evolved into a state where traders who use a price action chart rather than a time-based chart like Japanese candlesticks can gain a big edge. Cardano, for example, just converted into a bull market by breaching the former bear market trendline on the 2-cent 3-box reversal point and figure chart, red diagonal line. Traders who primarily utilize Japanese candlestick charts are more likely to enter long trades on the Cardano price too soon and towards the top of a swing. A decline after switching from a bull market to a bear market or vice versa is common in point-and-figure analysis. With the knowledge that a retreat is likely, a potential trade setup can now be executed. A buy limit order between $1.32 and $1.26 A stop loss at $1.18 and a profit objective of $2 is the potential long trade for Cardano price. Depending on the entry, this trade has a reward-to-risk ratio of 4.86 to 1 to 9.25 to 1. A 3-box trailing stop would protect you from any inferred profit after you enter the market. If Cardano closes at or below the $1.18 value region, the deal is voided. In that case, the $1 level becomes precarious and may collapse. In that case, Cardano might fall as low as 40 cents. Recently, there have been several fascinating developments in the Cardano ecosystem. The Cardano Foundation is collaborating with EcoAge, the Renaissance Awards organizer. Furthermore, these awards are intended to honor young activists who work to promote social and environmental improvements. EcoAge is notably replacing traditional physical rewards with non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, and will be using Cardano to do it. In addition, the awards ceremony was held in October, and the Cardano blockchain was used to create 13 different digital artworks. These digital artworks paid homage to some of the Renaissance's most famous artists. The winners of these awards will also reap some long-term rewards. If the prize is sold, the winner will get 100% of the proceeds, as well as 50% royalties on future NFT sales. Flexa, a digital payments platform, has added Cardano's native token, ADA, to its list of supported cryptocurrencies. This move is part of the 25 Days of Flexa promotion, which also includes Filecoin and Solana coins. Furthermore, because of this adoption, the ADA token can now be used at over 40,000 establishments across the United States. ADA users will be able to use the token as a means of payment at the cinemas following a previous agreement between Flexa and Regal, a U.S. theater operator. Cardano is unquestionably more speculative than other cryptocurrencies, which is saying a lot. Its academically focused developer team, on the other hand, is executing a wise growth strategy. If Cardano delivers on its promise of massive scalability, the platform might be quite popular among DApp developers and DeFi investors in a few years. On that note, the growing usage of Cardano blockchain services would result in higher transaction fees, which would raise demand for the underlying ADA token. As a result, its price should rise over time. Similarly, possessing ADA tokens entitles you to participate in the network as a stakeholder. You could either build your own stake pool to assist in verifying transactions and secure the blockchain, or just lend your tokens to an existing stake pool to reap the rewards in either case. All of this, of course, is predicated on Cardano reaching the required scalability as well as adoption by both DApp developers and customers. With 4,000 projects presently in development, we don't think it's a stretch to envision Cardano as a robust ecosystem in a few years. As a result, this coin appears to be a sound long-term investment. With this, we have come to an end. Thank you for watching the video. The content in this video is for educational purposes only, and hence should not be considered as financial advice. We all know that the crypto market is highly volatile, and by the time you watch this video, the prices would have changed to a whole new level. So all the financial decisions should be made after doing your wide-spectrum research. Also, make sure that you like this video, comment down your thoughts regarding this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated about the latest crypto news.